Welcome to the fourth installment in the series. Today's issue, Novum Organum No. 1. Novum Organum, a radical architecture magazine published in the late 60s and early 70s, was then a new organ of the Yale School of Architecture, providing students and faculty a platform to express their contempt or concerns regarding the institution's agenda and propose alternative models. Here we present the first issue, Education for Alienation. Issue 1 is a double-sided broadsheet poster, which folds down to an 8.5 by 11 pamphlet. Due to technical restraints, we have scaled the poster down by 50%. The poster. The poster is printed using a single color, red. One side of the poster contains a full-bleed monotone image of a sculpture of a naked woman holding a shawl behind her, standing on a small platform. Below her is a single-line quote that reads, "Yale has thus far been spared the ugliness with elsewhere dramatized the issue." The quote is attributed to one Kingman Brewster Jr. The other side of the poster is text-heavy, with a few images in between tightly arranged columns of text. Due to time constraints, we are only calling out the most prominent features of the issue, such as images and titles. The bottom left panel is the title Novum Organum 1, set vertically in a stencil typeface, one word on top of the other. The first letters of each word are much larger than the rest. The bottom right corner of the same panel has a large upside-down exclamation mark. On the top of the same panel reads, "Education for Alienation," in all caps. Below that is a large striped No. 1. The next panel to the right contains a text frame with a thick border that looks like a plaque, advertising Novum Organum and calling for contributions, with a deadline set for November 20th. On the panel above that is a narrow image containing a highly skewed view of the Yale Art Gallery. On the far end of the image is the Yale School of Architecture. To the right of it is a large headline in all caps that reads, "Walkout." In the center of the poster is a rectangular image of a shirtless man wearing a safari hat, climbing a sculpture of a lying naked woman. To the right of it is a big headline in all lowercase letters which reads, "People or Art?" There is no question mark at the end. Below the image is a doodle of a dazed and fat chicken, pointing its wing to a line chart. Next to that is a handwritten text title, "The Chicken Modular." The text reads, "As Yale designs more buildings in rural areas, architect-client relationships may change still more radically. Human scale may seem suddenly insensitive." About an inch above that is an outline of the word "statement," written in all caps. Immediately to the right of that is a line of large dots, leading to the top edge of the poster, marking Novum Organum's manifesto. On the top right corner of the poster is a photo of a smashed effigy of an unidentified statue made of plaster. Handwritten with a black marker on a large piece of debris are the words, "Today the effigy, tomorrow." A final reminder. In between the aforementioned images and headlines are long columns of small type, variably oriented across the remainder of the poster.